Hello, we got another real quick video on proportions. Proportion is a statement that says that two ratios are equal. So we've got this ratio 3 over 6 and this ratio 1/2. And when we say they're equal to each other, this whole thing is called a proportion. What we're going to be using those proportions for is to decide if things are equal and then also to find some missing values. So this video is just going to be on deciding, using the proportions to decide if things are equal. So what we're going to do is compare this proportion compare these two ratios and decide if they are equal. Okay, there's a few ways to do that. One way you might be familiar with is by cross multiplying. So if we do 3 times 2, we get 6. And then we do 6 times 1, and we also get 6. So because those two answers are the same thing, because they're both 6, 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 1 is 6, that means that these two ratios are equal. All right. One more way to do that is to divide the fractions, divide the ratios. So 3 over 6 means 3 divided by 6, and you get a decimal answer of 0.5. And then 1 divided by 2, you also get 0.5. So then we compare those decimals. 0.5 and 0.5 are the same, so that means these ratios, 3/6 and 1/2 are the same, are equal. And one last way is just to reduce both the ratios, so 3 over 6. To reduce that, we divide the top and the bottom by 3, and you get 1/2. And then 1/2 is already simplified, that's already reduced. So then 1/2 is equal to 1/2 if they both will simplify or reduce to the same number, the same fraction, then the ratios are equal. All right, so now we got a couple more problems on the Google form to finish, and then there's another real quick video.